How to fix WhatsApp download failed error easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the download failed problem. First thing guys is open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps. Now on this page, as you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on the WhatsApp app and then go to the force stop option and click on it. After that, click on the storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on the data usage, make sure to disable all those options and enable them again, and then click on this force stop to stop running the app. Now you have to do one last thing, which is go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again. That's it guys for today's short tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe.